Bajaj in the grand theatre of modern industry, where precision converges with power and innovation harmonizes. Bajaj Steel's advanced CNC gas cutting technology empowers the division to seamlessly cut plates of up to 250 mm in thickness. Bajaj Steel art of high-definition laser cutting technology, powered by an impressive 20 kW laser system. Backbone of heavy components that exemplify strength, accuracy, and uncompromising quality. Multiple grinding passes, close-up of customized jobs, sparks illuminating the factory with heavy materials. Overhead gantry cranes glide across the vast shop floor. Massive steel components are carefully rigged and lifted. Conventional rolling and bending machines, designed to handle substantial plate thickness with remarkable accuracy. The facility is equipped with a diverse range of specialized machines. The facility offers ample and well-organized working areas, enabling the seamless handling and fabrication. Extensive assembly area within the shop floor of Bajaj Steel G10A area facilitates the seamless handling of massive fabricated jobs. Designed to accommodate large-scale industrial structures, this expansive assembly zone provides ample space for the systematic placement, alignment, and integration of heavy engineering components. Wide assembly bays where engineers and technicians align, inspect, and prepare heavy components. Overhead cranes positioning large assemblies with precision. Equipped with heavy-duty crane systems designed to safely and efficiently lift and transport. World-class lathe machines for accuracy of job. Nearly half of the job has been meticulously completed, each component shaped, assembled and inspected. At this stage, the fabrication journey of this heavy engineering structure has reached a significant milestone. We also have heavy-duty plano miller machines, including the largest models available. An overhead crane slowly lifts the 27-ton component with absolute stability while operators guide the movement. A massive fabricated structure, almost verge on completion. Even the customer company nameplate, which signifies the identity of the final structure, is meticulously manufactured within Bajaj Steel as advanced cutting zone as per the drawings. Heavy engineering structure has been carefully positioned on the shop floor, awaiting its next phase of refinement. Resting momentarily within the vast manufacturing floor, this formidable structure stands as another step. This job weight is 27 tons and has dimensions of 4.7 into 4 into 5.2 meters. Work type and purpose of job: furnace charging in steel plant. For a job of this size, 2 cranes are required to lift the side arms, one on each side, which ensures smooth operation. Fabricated using steel plates ranging from 16 mm to 85 mm in thickness, the bucket possesses exceptional structural strength, enabling it to withstand the rigorous environment of steel plant operation. The finished structure weighs approximately 27 tons, reflecting the heavy-duty engineering and robust fabrication standards employed throughout its manufacturing process. The massive scrap bucket suspended securely from the Bajaj Steel Plant's overhead crane. Simultaneously, 2 Hydra cranes carefully lift the heavy movable side sections of the bucket. Engineers and technicians supervise the synchronized movement as part of a functional testing sequence. The primary structure of the bucket is securely suspended by the plant as high-capacity overhead crane, showcasing the facility's capability to handle such massive engineering components with absolute control and stability. At the same time, the movable side assemblies of the bucket, which themselves are substantially heavy, are carefully lifted and positioned using 2 Hydra cranes operating in precise synchronization. Powering industries with precision engineering, crafting the backbone of modern industry. Bajaj Steel Industries Limited. Engineering strength that moves the world. The only company with easy solution of engineering giants with precision and power for your customized heavy jobs. Production has been successfully completed for the entire 5 scrap buckets of 27-ton capacity each, totaling 135 tons. The project is now in the final dispatch ready stage.